Hello there. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create your own characters in Character.AI. The first step is going to be signing up for an account if you don't already have one. Once you continue with Google or just type down your email and password, that's your choice. Once you're done with that, just type in your username. You can read their terms of service and privacy policy and just hit this I understand button if you want to go along. Over here, I'm just going to give a little introduction. In Character.AI, you can talk with made-up characters either by the community or made by Character.AI itself. One example is you can just talk to Elon Musk. If you want, you can have a virtual psychologist around if you feel like you need to talk to one. It's not the best, but it is an option. You can talk to Mario if you wanted to. Or you can just use this character assistant. It's just the AI work or a study buddy. You can type it a message. You can type it something and it will help you out with it. For example, we gave it this extremely simple question and it instantly generated us an answer for it. Now you can obviously Google these answers, but the thing about Character.AI is that you can ask it to further elaborate or give you some example questions without having to browse the web and just go onto different sites for your answer. Now, if you actually want to create your characters, you're going to go over to the left, hit the create button, and go over to the create a character option. Over here, you can choose the name of your character and you can choose their greeting. For the name, let's just go with let's just go with something completely random and make the character identify as our computer's RAM. You can get a more complex greeting or one longer than this, but to save time, I just chose a shorter one for now. Down here, you can toggle image generation. This isn't the best feature of Character.AI, so I prefer if it's off. On the visibility tab, you can choose if your character is public, unlisted, or private. So you can make it that the character, only you can access it. Under here, you can choose the avatar. You can create an image for the avatar or just choose one. Let's just create one. It's going to take some time and generate you an image according to your prompt. You can just set it as your avatar. You can also upload your own avatar if you want. Now this is the basic details you're going to submit if you want a normal character and nothing too advanced. So if you think you're okay with this, you can just hit this blue button and chat to it right away. Or if you want to edit details and go into more advanced settings, you can actually describe the character. For example, give it a short description and a long description to just see how the character describes itself. For example, I just entered this up here. It's your choice. You can make this extremely long or extremely short. That's up to you. For the categories, you can select a few relevant tags or keywords. Down here, you can actually set your character's voice. Let's say we just want to use any one of this. And you can actually test it out by clicking this play button and it will preview your character's voice. Again, you're prompted with your image generation feature. You can choose to turn this on or not. You can also see the definition visibility, for example, if you have a public one. But if you can also set it that only you can see the definition of the character. But if you just create a private bot, it's automatically set to private. You don't need to change that. For the definition, you can just insert a chat with VCRAM or insert example messages. Over here, you have like 32,000 characters. You can mess around with it. You can just create fake conversations to develop a personality for your character. You can obviously enter a lot more. I'm just going to keep it simple and hit save. Now your character is successfully uploaded. You can just talk to it right away. Click this button and now just ask it anything. That sums up the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.